Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 80% off for the Microsoft Azure Databricks Data Engineer certification, and certification code is DP-750. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So has officially announced the Microsoft Certified Azure Databricks Data Engineer Associate Certification. In this video, you will learn everything about the new DP-750 exam, including the skill required, exam topics, career benefits, and how to prepare to pass the certification. So this certification validates your ability to design, implement scalable, secure data pipelines using the Azure Databricks, helping organizations build powerful analytics and AI-ready data platform in the cloud. If you want to become a data engineer on Microsoft Azure, this certification is one of the most valuable credentials to boost your career in big data and data engineering and cloud analytics. So you will learn in this video? Overview of the Azure Databricks Data Engineer Associate Certification. Detail about the DP-750. This is a beta exam. Core skill required for the certification. Data engineering with the Azure Databricks SQL and Python. How to build production grade data pipeline on Azure. Career opportunities after the certification. So key skill covered. So data and data modeling and the other things are there. So this certification is perfect for the Azure data engineer, data professionals, cloud engineers, and anyone building the AI ready data platforms on the Microsoft Azure. And other related topics are it will cover. So DP 750 exam preparation also it will cover. So start your journey with the become the Microsoft certified data engineer today. So you'll go through the link. So techcommunity.microsoft.com, we were able to see Microsoft Certified Azure Databricks Data Engineer Associate. The new exam code is DP750 Beta. So all the details as we discussed, all the details are same as here. And the first 300 people to take exams DP750 Beta, can you get the 80% off? And this is the exam code DP750 Deltona to receive the discount. So this is the we have coupon code. You can go through the coupon code. So how to prepare? So review the DP700 beta and go to the study guide. So this is the link for the study guide. So study guide, I have given this link here also. So next, work through the plan of Microsoft Learn. Need other preparation ideas? You can certified exam online or home. So it will give you the details about that. So all the details are there, means we are getting the first 300 candidates can save up to 80%. So this is the Microsoft Certified Azure Databricks Data Engineer Associate. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.